Welcome to Module 1 of the High-Efficacy Lighting for Residential Applications video series. In this module, we'll provide an overview of high-efficacy lighting contained in the 2016 Building Energy Efficiency Standards. California's new residential building energy efficiency standards took effect on January 1st, 2017. New regulations in the 2016 energy standards require that all lighting in new homes be high efficacy, while also expanding the types of lighting that qualify as high efficacy. This change eliminates most space-by-space requirements and ensures that a variety of lighting technologies and techniques are available to builders and contractors. In this module, we'll provide a general overview of high-efficacy lighting classifications. We'll have more information on this topic in a later module. The evolution of high-efficacy lighting regulations, and how the high-efficacy regulations tie in with California's residential zero net energy goals. Let's start off by defining high-efficacy lighting. High-efficacy lighting is a top-tier light source that delivers high lumens per watt. This means more light output for less energy. High-efficacy lighting requirements ensure that lamps and luminaires are energy efficient and provide high-quality illumination suitable for residential applications. The 2016 energy standards require that all indoor and outdoor lighting be high efficacy. Some light sources qualify automatically, others must be certified to the CEC as compliant with the high efficacy requirements contained in Joint Appendix JA8 of the 2016 reference appendices. Any screw-based luminaire, with the exception of screw-based ceiling recessed luminaires, can qualify as high efficacy as long as the light source installed in the luminaire is JA8 compliant. This is a significant change to the energy standards, as screw-based luminaires were previously considered low efficacy. Under the 2013 energy standards, Joint Appendix JA8 defined efficacy and color requirements for LED luminaires only. JA8 now contains qualification requirements for additional types of residential high-efficacy lamps and luminaires, not just LED. To understand why we have these high-efficacy requirements, let's examine how and why these regulations have evolved. In 1975, the Department of Housing and Community Development adopted rudimentary energy conservation standards under their state housing law authority. These standards evolved into the first generation of the Building Energy Efficiency Standards adopted in 1976. Since then, these standards, which include energy and water efficiency requirements, as well as indoor air quality requirements, have been updated periodically to include requirements for new technologies, simplify existing requirements, revise language, and so on. Many types of energy-efficient, high-quality light sources are available for residential applications. To ensure that only the best products are installed in California homes, the standards have evolved to address improvements in light source efficacy and color quality. In today's market, high-efficacy lighting products are readily available and cost-effective. The current 2016 standards reflect these improvements and help ensure California homes are lit with energy-efficient lighting technology. High-efficacy regulations are also important for California's residential zero net energy, or ZNE goals. California is making strong efforts to address climate change. Lighting consumes approximately 22% of the total electricity in California homes. The state's building and appliance standards, along with utility programs that promote efficiency, are vital means of reducing this consumption. The new regulations for high-efficacy lighting support these efforts and make efficiency goals easier to achieve. California's ambitious energy and climate goals include those legislated under the Lighting Efficiency and Toxics Reduction Act, AB 1109. This bill calls for a minimum 50% reduction in lighting energy use for interior residential lighting by 2018 as compared to 2007 levels. California's 2008 Long-Term Energy Efficiency Strategic Plan also set the goal that all new low-rise residential construction in the state be zero net energy by 2020. The 2016 energy standards are working to make these goals a reality. They also enhance and simplify previous requirements and lay the foundation for additional efficiency improvements slated for 2019 code. High-efficacy requirements for lighting are based on sources and solutions that are highly energy efficient, yet readily available to California consumers. The 2016 energy standards also represent a major step towards meeting California's residential Z&E goal by the year 2020. By following these and other energy standards requirements, California should avoid the need to build additional generation facilities and save its residents several $billion in the form of lower electricity and natural gas bills over the next 30 years. Before we end this module, let's review what we've learned. The 2016 residential energy standards require all indoor and outdoor lighting to be high efficacy. The energy standards have evolved over time, so they always require installation of top-tier products and use of highly efficient design strategies. Lighting regulations will help California meet its long-term energy efficiency and Z&E goals. This concludes Module 1. For more information on high-efficacy lighting for residential applications, please visit the Energy Commission website at www.energy.ca.gov/Title 24/2016 standards.